Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. As you may have seen, we have a new government here in the UK. And I stayed up very late on Thursday night, well into early Friday morning, watching the complete crushing and humiliation of what's almost certainly the worst, most corrupt government to have ruled this country in my lifetime. One of my favourite moments was when a Conservative politician who'd just lost her seat took to the stage and spoke to the TV cameras and, for once, in a moment of rare honesty, refused to blame refugees trying to seek asylum in the UK or woke culture or the European Union, and instead basically said, "We've brought this on ourselves." If you bring something on yourself, you basically make a bad thing happen to yourself. It's something kind of negative that happens to yourself. So you might say something like, if you have to fire a worker who's been repeatedly late, you might have to say, "Listen, I'm really sorry that we have to let you go. I'm really sorry that we have to fire you. But in all honesty, you have brought this on yourself. You've been late time and time and time again, despite our repeated warnings." Maybe you know someone who's recently split up with their long-time partner or got divorced, and you have an honest heart-to-heart with them, and you basically have to tell them, "Listen, I'm really sorry for what's happened, but you have kind of brought this on yourself. If you hadn't cheated on your partner, none of this would have happened." And maybe you know people who are heading for burnout because basically they're working themselves into the ground. They're working themselves into an early grave. And you might comment on this situation by saying, "Yeah, it's no wonder she's super stressed. She brings it on herself. She doesn't know how to say no. She needs to basically set boundaries and tell her boss she's not prepared to be overburdened with all of this work." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "bring something on yourself."